Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Print preview. It is important that we look at a preview of what we are about to print. Here we have multiple columns and multiple rows in this sheet. Going into File and selecting the Print option will give us a preview. It gives us a preview here, and at the bottom we can see there are 2 pages, and we can go through them by clicking on the arrow marks here. On the first page, it appears that we have until column total, and the other 2 columns are being printed on the second page. To go back to the sheet, we can click on the arrow mark here and look at where the page width is stopping. So until column F is printed on one page, G and H are being printed on the second page. Going into the file, selecting Print will show us the print preview, and in terms of the length of the sheet, we only have one single page. The second page is just for the columns. Lengthwise, all of this sheet fits in one single page. Widthwise, it needs 2 pages. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.